touch faces with their hands?
I can.
Feel. They feel it.
Think.
I'm not going to do that.
So we've got Mum and Dad in the den, and the kids are out there. So
We've got our
we're
den.
hanging out in the den. We've got our den, and we're not letting them in. So yeah. How do you spend your Friday night?
Mum, Dad, see ya.
You're not allowed in.
Good morning. It's Friday morning. It's the start of a new day. We're about to do our live space. 2 minutes it says. Need to click a button there. We are Friday morning on day 562 there, Bruce, yeah? Oh, wow. 197. I was just thinking, we're almost at 200 days in this year. Isn't that amazing? I hope so. So, did you hear those birds? I'm going to put a link into the birds this morning. Wow! And now, it's time to stretch.
1, 2.
Good morning, everybody. Hello. It's Friday. It's the weekend. We're dancing. We're dancing. Day 562 of our Dance 365 project. There's words in there they want to come out. Sometimes I'm just tired. It's 8:05 in the morning. We are dancing live. We are starting this weekend off with a bang. Chipmunk style. Give us a like if you like this video. Give us a comment if you'd like to say hello to us. We would love that. Give us a song suggestion. Alright, or subscribe. Nothing wrong with chipmunks. Or subscribe to the channel to see us every single day on your homepage. Alright, would you like to get up and dance this morning? Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for checking out our channel. Let's do it. Let's raise some energy and dance. Here's a bit high. You shoot your groove thing. That was lots of fun. Thank you for joining us today. Join us every single day.
As it goes.
For dancing. Lots of love. We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh no, not again.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a great weekend. Bye. Bodhi's joined us for some breakfast. Good morning, Bodhi. And he's watching some Bing, doing some counting. Excellent. We've just been catching Pokemon. Good morning, Gem.
Hello.
How's your Pokemon hunting going this morning?
I didn't get any.
Not yet.
I need to get it on my phone so then I can do it all day, like Pokemon there and Pokemon there. There and there and there and there and there and there.
We've been doing some den building in between Pokemon catching.
And Dale's inside our tent.
We did. We caught an Eevee inside our tent as we were constructing it. Here's a picture. Right. So we're going to put the cover on. Let's go. Den installed. It looks pretty sweet, Gemma. Good job. Good job, Bodhi. Half an hour's work right there.
Together. How does one get together?
Let's see how long.
Yours looks meant to be a doghouse.
It's a doghouse. That's like the best doghouse ever. Oh, perfect. We've got that pesky summer weather which requires you to put all the lights on in your house because it's so dark.
When I was
Oh! Gemma left her bike out in the rain. We had to bring it back in. Did she dry it? No. Daddy did. Sounds about right. Bodhi's heading into somewhere with Daddy. I think Edinburgh, possibly. Gemma's going to stay with me. Pokemon hunting. If we go Pokemon hunting, it'll be very wet. We might wait and see if it stops raining. Right. Off in the rain. Oh, I left food for Bodhi inside. It's raining, it's pouring, and we are getting wet.
Mama, are we getting wet?
A wee bit.
Ouch!
See you later, alligator.
Mom,
Yeah?
how's the window?
There's your happiness. Yep. Friday afternoon. The middle of July. Good weather for ducks. Not for washing.
There's the red one.
So we're checking out the local gyms. The local gyms have been in battle all morning.
This is the person that we met, I think.
Might well be. We met some of them yesterday, didn't we? We were out and about.
Yeah, but I've seen that character around like 3 times on this one stage.
Well, there's lots of battles. I've been watching the Pokemon gyms changing hands over and over and over.
Oh wow, wait, do you want to see something funny? Like, so you have that one.
You need to be looking for Pokemon just now because we've dropped some insects.
Oh, there we go. Pidgey. Pidgey! Is there?
Okay.
Oh, okay, it's on the floor. Let's see if I can sit it on my foot. Oh, look, it's on my lap. I'm going to take a picture of Peggy on that.
Oh, you're a wild pigeon in your lap.
It's happy. He's just sleeping. I'm just going to say something.
Well done.
There's a Pokeballs
Landed on your knee.
Landed by owl there.
That's
Owl.
perfect.
Oh, I'm not sure what the noise was. We got HP 15.
A little Pidgey.
Ooh, we need to evolve one of our Pidgeys soon. Soon? What is it?
That's it.
Yay!
I got it.
Oh, she's on the big booster. Ah. Gotcha. You just caught it.
Nice. Good stuff.
Everyone type to the killer. Where'd you come going?
The Weedle in the hallway.
What?
Good job.
I threw it like in front of its face, and then I was like,
24 Pokemon in 24 hours.
gotcha!
Woohoo!
Pokemon got okay. So we just
Evolved our first Weedle
Weedle.
into a Kakuna.
And I bet we. Oh no, we need 50 now.
Wow. Excellent. We have another medal.
Whee!
We did a good job, and we're about to. We're about to evolve another Pokemon.
Remember, guys?
First egg is ready to hatch.
Yep. Okay, I think if you tap on it, it does it. Oh, what?
Oh, we're close. Got 0.04. Tiny bit. On you go.
Okay, Mum, you follow me.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, come on, let's go hatch that egg. I think walking around the whole house would work. Okay, kitchen. Walking around the kitchen. Walking around the kitchen. Okay, so we're hatching our first egg.
Alright, what's going to happen?
Okay, so it says,
Oh, it's very windy out here. Should we go inside?
yeah. So it's like,
We've been walking out here to hatch the egg.
And I went to the table, which now I cannot feel my foot. Well, the written game's frozen. Wait, I'll say something cool. So if you tip your device back, it goes onto that. When you tip it back forward. Ta-da! It doesn't look like we got anything from all that. Oh, a Charmander!
Oh, a new Charmander. Wow, a level 30, a 66 one.
There you go.
Daddy's back again. Hi. Hello. And Bodhi's up from her nap.
Tell you what, driving up and down these roads now is really difficult with all these Pokemon wandering about the place. And
You've got to be so
sort of
careful.
I know. So they just jump out of edges and sort of crossroads. They've got absolutely no sense.
You let all the Pokemon out.
Absolutely terrible, I'm telling you. That's the more likely thing that we're seeing. There's people walking down the street holding a phone in their hand.
No, they're
Welcome to the world of Pokemon.
they're going to see the mural that doesn't exist next door.
There we go, there's no one.
I thought about putting the phone here for a time lapse of people walking down doing the pokey things because we're about to get to that time. Work's about to finish.
Yep.
All the lures are about to come out. Pokemon's about to take off.
We see a lot of people walking up and down this street because of the street that it is, but since yesterday, the number of people walking up and down the street with a phone in their hand looking at it, that's increased, I've noticed.
Oh, it is. People are looking for Pokemon. We're in a really good street for Pokemon catching. Hey, a Zubat just flew through here.
Was that? No, it wasn't. What's the thing that jumped on tonight?
An Oddish. You had an Oddish in your hand earlier, see? Popular. So, dinner time. Is it dough? Oh, so it is. They're going to make some cookies.
So, the plan. Right, Bodhi,
We've
sharp
never
knife.
had.
Wait.
I've never had ready to bake cookies before.
Let's
This
sing
is a
two sentences.
first time for everything.
Wait, what we're going to do is mark off.
Let's see what this turns out like.
I don't know what it sounds like.
Chunk of chocolate then.
The cookies are done. Wow, they made chunky cookies. Excellent. Dinner is cooking. Pasta tonight. Look at that yummy bread over there. Dinner's ready. The weather outside is frightful.
I know. I want to get my hand outside on the rain. Yeah. Yeah. It's so wet.
It's very wet out there, isn't
Mom.
it? I'm not going out there.
Wet. So wet.
It's so wet.
Is that on my hand?
Oh, wet.
I'm going to run in the thing.
My camera's now soaked. Hello, Gemma! Wow, dinner time!
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
It was flat.
Excellent, we have a slightly wet Bodhi, who's having a big bowl, who needs something in her hair.
Not past.
Preferably not past. Let's start.
Made the pressure.
Makes it prettier being in the rain. It's a milk urn, but it's a plant pot.
It's a big plant pot.
There were 4 kinds of bugs.
With all kinds of bugs in.
And those bugs might see on the spider. We can actually touch spiders with their hands.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Think.
I'm not going to do that. But it help me feel it. Please, Mom.
Just touch it.
Just do that. Look.
What help does it? Yes. Yes.
Boop. They're very, very fragile, so they will break. But it's okay.
No.
Good.
Den number 3 today.
You got behind you.
Ta-da.
Juice.
Excellent.
Back ball.
It's very dark in here.
Copy.
Mom, come on.
Good evening, Gemma.
So we've got Mum and Dad in the den, and the kids are out. So
We've got our
we're
den.
hanging out in the den. We've got our den, and we're not letting them in. So yeah. How do you spend your Friday night?
Mom, Dad, stay out.
You're not let in.
Your secret password.
No, yeah, that's it. You need the secret password.
I do know it. What is it? Is it hot dogs?
Yes.
How did you know?
How do you know that?
I didn't like
Let's see if Gemma knows what the password is.
hot dogs.
Oh.
Well, that was easy.
Melons?
No, you can't come in.
What do I say? Hot dogs. Hot dogs.
Hot dogs,
Yay!
you can
Right, everybody in a tent. It's Friday night.
Probably
not. Everyone in a tent.
come in. Everyone in a tent.
Everyone in a tent. It's noisy in the tent. It's noisy in the tent. Oh, the tent is all wobbling.
So it's all windy outside. Tense.
All right. It's very dark.
It is. That's because it's night time and we're in a tent.
Okay.
We're outside.
Shall we say goodnight, guys?
Good night, guys.
Alrighty. We just got kicked off my phone by my instant alarm, and from the very dark and cosy tent in our living room.
That's right.
Happy weekend, everybody. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Bye.